So for us here at Provincial Chrysler, today is a happy and sad day. Because as we see the next step in a lot of your lives, as you move on to retirement from FCA and you've built us some great product, we're going to be very sad to see you guys go. As we say goodbye to the Grand Caravan, we look forward to where the Pacifica and what other model lines are going to come to us right here in our Windsor assembly plant. Rest assured, as the last Grand Caravans are running off the line, we've ordered extra units because we know how much our Windsor and Essex County customers love their minivans. So a bond farewell to those of you who have worked so hard all the years to support and give us great products like the minivan. And from the front lines, we thank you for all your efforts. And we're going to do our part selling to support the next generation of minivan driver and minivan producers. From our team here at Provincial Chrysler, thank you, FCA workers past and present, for all the efforts you've done. Come down and see us for yourself if you need a new car deal, online, in person, 1001 Provincial Road.